Our weather hotter than ever. Many of you planning on a trip to the lake this weekend to try and cool off.
Yeah, probably one of the best ways to do that is find some water and get in it. Make sure if you're going to be outside, we always talk about this time of year, Karen, sunscreen, and making sure that whenever you hydrate before, during, and after any kind of event outside. So you want to make sure you stay hydrated because it's going to be hot and humid, although temperatures a little bit cooler the next couple of days, but still perfect conditions to head out to the area lakes. Here's a look at some of the updated lake levels. You notice Grand as well as Tenkiller, Oologah, and Fort Gibson all reporting near normal conditions in terms of the lake levels. 2 feet above at Keystone, a foot above at Eufaula, and about a foot below right now at Skiatook. But most of the lakes in great shape. And tomorrow's forecast, hot and humid again with temperatures back into the mid to upper 90s. Mostly sunny, hot and humid. Little breezy though, so if you're going to be taking the boat out, just be prepared. Some of the lakes could be a little choppy from time to time because of those breezy south winds. Well, the heat advisory continues across all of eastern Oklahoma until 9 o'clock this evening, all of southeast Kansas. Areas to the north and east of us, we have an excessive heat warning as you move up into western areas of Missouri up towards the Kansas City area, where we could see some heat index values there over 110 degrees. Hot enough here in eastern Oklahoma. Look at these current temperatures. 93 in Muskogee, 98 right now in Tulsa, 99 in Grove, 95 up in Bartlesville. Then you add that humidity on top of it. This is really what your body has to deal with when it's outside. It feels like 111 right now in Tulsa and Bartlesville, 111 as well down in Creek County around Bristow, 109 in Muskogee, and 106 the current heat index up in Grove around Grand Lake. Air Comfort Solutions downtown, Cam, we're seeing blue skies out there as we move through the late afternoon, now moving into the early evening hours. That 98-degree temperature, that's the hottest temperature so far this year in the Tulsa area. We started off quite warm as well, only at 81 degrees, so a warm morning and a very hot afternoon with a high humidity level still at 48%. So on future tracks, it's going to be pretty uneventful as we move through the evening and overnight. Mainly clear skies. We'll see south winds up to about 10 miles per hour, and temperatures tonight will drop off into the mid to upper 70s, so it's going to be another warm and muggy start to our Friday morning. As we move on through the day tomorrow on future track, you notice we could see a couple of additional clouds. We'll say mostly sunny skies for tomorrow, and temperatures a degree or two cooler than today, but still on the hot side, mid to a few upper 90s, about 97 in Tulsa, 96 in Bartlesville and Pryor, 95 in Tahlequah. Here's a look at some of the projected heat index values for tomorrow afternoon, generally between about 100 and 105. A few spots could briefly be a little over 105. But still, with the high heat index values, we expect another heat advisory going into effect tomorrow at 1 p.m., lasting until 9 p.m. on our Friday evening. So after 97 tomorrow, we'll see 78 tomorrow night, 95 on Saturday. Saturday night, there's a slight opportunity for a shower or storm that'll linger through the day on Sunday. Otherwise, partly cloudy skies, only 93 on Sunday. But then we heat things right back up as we head toward the 4th of July, Karen, with temperatures running in the mid to a few upper 90s by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.
All right.